hope you liked the beginning of the video. I could have probably done a little bit better and a little bit more and done some donuts and burnouts, but with all respect, we're at a church right now and I'm probably about to get kicked out if I do any more. Anywho, behind me is a gorgeous truck, top to bottom, inside and out. Paint is like, I mean, it looks damn good. And a white Denali with chrome trim and black wheels with a little brushed accents is the way to go. It just sets it off. Everything about this truck just spells beast. So let's check it out. Unlock it first. Hold on, here's the fob ready. Remote start, unlock, everything. This, my friends, is a 2014 GMC Sierra Denali 2500 HD Duramax. 6.6 in your face. Duramax. Awesome truck. We put brand new headlights in. We flex sealed the whole entire perimeter of the headlight where the casing mounts to it, so that way it doesn't leak and there's no moisture. We put all brand new amber bulbs in so it's nice and uniform. We even retrofitted the turn signals right here, or the reflectors, with amber bulbs inside. That way it passes, or if it does pass in some counties and not others in states, whatever. You're looking at a lifted, this is a zone suspension lift kit. Zone suspension lift kit wrapped in a set of Moto Metal 962s right here. These are a 20 by 10 Moto Metal 962. And they're wrapped around a 35, 1250, 20-inch Nitto Terra Grappler G2 all-terrain tire. Awesome setup right here. The truck is from Texas. I bought this truck in Texas about 2 weeks ago. So as you can see by the frame, it's absolutely stellar. Beautiful, a little bit of dust, but who cares? Beautiful, beautiful truck. And there's your zone lift kit down there. Z for Zorro. Headlights are in great shape. Their signature awesome Denali grill. It's a beast of a truck. It really is. The paint's in flawless shape. I would say probably 8 or 9 out of a 10. It's got a full system MBRP turbo back exhaust system right here that you guys heard earlier. It sounds awesome. Backup camera, navigation, aftermarket head unit. Turn signals incorporated into the mirrors. And let's check out the power plant. You guys are probably curious what's under the hood, and I'm happy to show you. Check this out. This is an awesome setup, guys. And the way it breathes and sounds so amazing. EFI Live 5-position switch right here. The mileage on this, before I go any further, I gotta make it short and quick. 135,458 maintained miles. Exhaust brake, all the goodies of a Denali. You got sunroof right there. Sliding rear, all that jazz. Or I mean, sunroof, tilt, whatever you want to call it. 4-wheel drive, man, you name it, it's got it. Heated, cooled seats, wood grain, Denali on the doors, on the door sills, bushwhacker flares right there, whatever you call it. Rear's in great shape. Carpet's clean as hell. Let's go on to the engine. All right, the engine. I know, Mark, I know the engine. Let's go. Here's the VIN number if you guys need it. Boom. Let's go pop the hood. And I parked this way for a reason. I'm gonna show you guys. I parked this way for a reason because look, perfect clearance. Absolutely perfect clearance. Full turn left, full turn right. Now, granted, if you go over a bump, friggin' doing about 190 miles an hour, you might hit something. You might rub. But anywho, the clearance is phenomenal. Oh my goodness, what did he just say? Oh my goodness, look at all those goodies in there. HSP cold air intake system, pipes, charge, downpipes, you name it, everything's under this hood, guys. Loaded, 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 loaded. Look at it, she's pretty. And she's got some goodies under here and the fluids are clean. It's an awesome setup. Awesome, awesome truck. Full exhaust system, tuned, deleted, you name it. And there she is. Hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm cutting this one out kind of quick because I gotta go. Looks like it's about to rain here in a minute. Want to get this back where it's supposed to be, that way it doesn't splash up water and it stays clean and it looks stellar. So if you guys have any questions, you can holler at me. Visit the website on the end of this video, www.superiorwholesale.org, or call 540-898-3025. You can text me direct, 540-848-2974. Show you the passenger side and we'll roll out of here. Super clean, super, super clean. What does it smell like inside? It smells really clean. All the controls on the steering wheel, right there. Everything. OnStar, you name it. And how tall am I? 6 foot. Anthony, shout out to you, buddy. Hope you're doing great as always. I stand up to the truck right about here. So, tires, how far do they stick out? Barely 2.5 inches, if that, maybe. Whatever. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoy this one. This one's super nice, and if I could recommend any truck, a white, my favorite truck is this body style right here, a 14 Denali Duramax with this exact lift and black leather interior with a sunroof. You cannot get any better looking than this. It drives good and it's friggin' phenomenal. Love it. See you guys later. Peace out.